Hey guys, welcome back to Michael to put on Minecraft, and today I will be moving my webcam right here for that one. Good. Got this, guys. Please tell me if that will be a problem for you. So leave a comment down below. Tell me if you should keep it up there, right there. Right there, or right there. Please tell me. Please. I'm guessing. I don't know why I have to stare at my huge face. It's like, I don't know, like, that big. Yeah. But yeah, let's just keep you shrinky. Hold on. And the screen is going to become blue right now. Oh no. There we go. Let's play some more Minecraft. If you don't know what keyboard I use this keyboard. And the mouse I use is this mouse. Get it up here. Yeah, I don't know, not best mouse, but yeah. Please tell me in the comment section down below.
Where's Daddy?
Sorry, you have to look at my finger for it. 1 second, please. Would you, wait a second, please. What are you guys doing? I'm making a video.
Daddy?
Guys, right? Guys, I'm making a video.
Oh, you didn't know?
Oh, well, I am.
Where's Daddy?
My dad, he's
No,
down
our
there.
dad.
I don't know. Don't ask me.
He did?
Yeah, he's gone.
Oh.
I need some parts to make a video.
Is that okay?
I just want to join in. I've never been on videos.
I know. I can introduce you, like, next video, so I can tell you all about you. Wait, 1 second, please. Just get out of the video. I'll tell them that you're going to join in. And
Okay.
Yeah, okay? Go. Okay. 1 second. Guys, while we're playing Minecraft, I will have a new my cousin. He might be here next video. I don't know. Maybe. Don't know. But, his name is Dirks. Sorry I couldn't hear you, but I'm having a new introducement. His name is Dirks, and, he's my cousin. He's 5 years old. I'm guessing he was born on... I don't know what year he was born, but this is him.
Da. And I'm not 5, I'm 6.
Okay, that was that.
Okay.
Let's play some more Minecraft. Sorry, I have to look at this screen for a second. Just wait.
Okay. Can I sit with you? There can be 2 people.
Okay, guys, I'm guessing it's ready. Minecraft load in. Start Minecraft. No, this is... Where'd you go? I mean, who cares? You're right there, I hope. Now I just want to stop playing. Let's do... this video. If you don't know this one, it was from the video where I taught you guys how to make a TNT cannon. So let's do this.
What's the matter?
Wait, Daddy's here. Daddy's here.
Oh no, this is the glitchiest map I've ever had. Oh my, okay. Yeah, I kind of forget. But here, let's just do weird stuff with TNT. Here, I have a good idea. I'm sorry guys, I will not be doing any more Fortnite.
What the heck?
What?
Sorry. What?
There. Don't do anything. Sorry guys.
Why not? You're going to do any more Fortnite videos.
Seriously, but I'm not. Sorry guys, the reason I won't be doing any more Fortnite is because it's way too, I don't know, hard. It's way too glitchy. It's too annoying. In fact, onwards. But yeah. I'm sorry, last video was very, very, very short. You follow this tree. But guys, if any of you guys are YouTubers, please tell me how to edit, cause sadly not the best. Yeah, guys, I'll get a skin. In fact, let's get a skin right now.
Where?
Is that the end of your video?
No, it's not. I need to get to my character.
Oh, I got no tea.
Options.
You never drink my water.
No, no.
I'll get you tea at supper.
Skin customization. Where?
Did you forget how to drink?
Snooper said no. No. No, I don't have any resource packs. Done. Controls, jump, left button, set. Wait, space.
What's a?
Stop. Attack and destroy. Where's I'm looking for something. Oh. Open. Auto jump. I'm trying to find sprint. Left control. Left button. I guess I don't know what that is. No. R. R. Set. No, I want it to be R. R. It's R, okay? Done. Set key. No, just let's keep this to R. Done. Done. Let's see. No, I need. No, cancel. Whatever. I have no idea what that was. In fact, guys, why not just end the video here at just 11 minutes? I'm sorry about that. Goodbye.